Alright. Here with this fucker.
My cousin
We took.
said, why'd you get a girlfriend all the way in Illinois?
Huh?
My cousin said, why'd you get a girlfriend all the way in Illinois?
Guy fucking eats this some bitch in.
Because she told me she was like, she's gonna be a doctor. That's what she wants to do. That's her career.
Ooh.
So, and then she was practicing CPR for class. Nailed it perfectly. I said, damn, so what you're saying is I could just like act like I'm drowning you, and then I can potentially get like a makeout session, right?
Fucking did the fuel pump. This motherfucker hit his finger a few times.
Hey, no mames, wey, cabrón.
I just have to. We have to get the cord shit, which is gonna take a while.
He's a rapist.